Hello students, welcome to Praisho Edu YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class, subject Intelligent Test. And in this video, we are going to see the answers key for monthly test MNT06. So in this one, question number 1 is there. In a code, C is E, K is M, V is X. How will you write the word student in this code? So C is E. Now C is here and E is here. Means after the C there is a second letter. Okay. So from this to this second letter. So K and M. So K and M also the second letter. So same V and X. So V and X also the second letter. So in this way the student spelling STUDENT. Now this spelling we have to count all the letters with a second letter, means S. After this one the second is U, and then T. After this T, V, and U. From this one W. So UVW, starting from the UVW here, UVW here also. Okay, so these two options is incorrect. Then D. So from the D, F is there. So F is here also, and then E. So from the E, G is the second letter. So G is here, but here the S is mentioned. So option number 3 is incorrectly. Only option number 1 we will check. Then N and the T. So N means P and the T means V. So P and V. Okay. So means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 2. In a code, GET is written as TIH, BAG is written as GEC, and CUT as a TAD. How will you write the word PIN? Now, GET and TIH, if you compare the middle one, all having the AEIOU, means that is a, we can say the vowels. Okay, so after the E, the next vowel is the I. So from here to here the changing the next vowel. Then T is here at the last, which is comes at the first. Okay, so and the G, from the G next word is the H. So like this one, and it goes to the last one. Now A, after the A the next vowels is the E. So BAG is written as a GEC. Now in this one the G, this word is at the last, so it will goes to the at the starting position, and from the B next alphabet is a C. So at the end C is there. Okay, so like this one. So PIN. So I, after the I, so next one is the U, AEI. Next to vowel is the O, then N, which is starting from the this word, and then P. After the Q is the next word, so it will end to the Q. So NOQ. So this is given in option number 2. Now question number 3. In a code, K is equals to P. Now K is equals to P. So 1, 2, 3, 4 means fifth letter. T is equals to Y. T is equals to Y means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fifth letter. Like this. B is equals to G. B and the G. Here also the 4 letters in between this one. So how will you write the words SIM? So S means here. So after this one the next one means X. So it will start from the X. Then I. From this I, then N will comes N, and for the M, so this will be that the middle one means the R comes. Okay, X N R, X N and the R. So X N R is given in option number 4. Now question number 4. In a code, the word spend is written as 52401 and hold as a 6391. How will you write the word SEED in this code? Now in this one, so all the letters with respect to numbers we have to count. Means S is having the 5, P having the 2, E having the 4, like this one. So S means the 5. So here I just write down the 5. Then E, for the E, the middle one is the 4. So 4, 4, and the D as a 1. So here the 1. So 5, 4, 4, 1. So this is given in option number 2. Now question number 5. In a code language, the word KOR is written as 745, SOF as a 421, and ON as a 94. Now in this one, the common only one, means O is there, and in the number the common is the 4, means that is the O is equals to 4, and if you put the O is here, so N is equals to, we get the 9. Okay, so means now N and the O, these two numbers we know. So in this one, so last one is the 4, so which number, which option having the last 4? So this option having the last 4, and instead of the N, 9 is can be matching. Okay, if you observe all these other numbers, we cannot get this one, so that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Now, question number 6. In a code language, the word RAG is written as 782, NOT as a 913. Then how will you write the TAR? So now T means the 3. So 3 is here. A means the 8. And the R means the 7. 387 is not given, but if you see 387 means all these numbers are given, means option number 2 is a correct one, means they are given in a different manner, but these three numbers are not available in others options, so only so option number 2 is a correct one. So means we have to compare with this sequence also. Now question number 7. In a code, x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 3. So x multiply by y. So here x means 4, multiply by y means 3. Then plus x is equals to 4 minus 3 is equals to how much? So first multiplication means 4 multiplied by 3 is a 12. 12, then additions, 12 plus 4 is a 16 minus 3, so that is a 13, and 13 is given in option number 1. Now use the symbol with the later table, question number 8 to question number 10. Now this symbols has given, this group symbol represent which word from the given option. So this symbol means the A, so I just note down the A here. This symbols means the S, then this one is the C, then this is the I, now this is a N, and this is the G. Okay, and this is given in question option number 1. Now question number 9. How to write V, S, L and S using the given symbol? V means this one, so this symbol is given in option number 1 and 4, even 2 also. Then S means these two lines here, here and here also. Then L is there. L means this triangle, so here also, here not there, so option number 1 and 2 only. Then N means this symbol, so here given and here given. Then S, again 2 lines, but here the no 2 lines are given, so option number 2 is a correct one. Now question number 10. This symbol group represent which word from the given option? So for this one, these 2 lines means the S, then C, then this is the A, then this is the N. Now this one is the triangle means L, and this square means I. So this is the given in option number 2. Question number 11. Using the code triangle is equals to 5, then square is equals to 3, and this star shape symbol is equals to 8. Then this square means the 3 multiplied by this triangle means the 5 minus 8 is equals to how much? So 3 multiplied by 5, so that is a 15, minus 8, so that is a 7, and 7 is given in option number 3. Now question number 12. If 3 is equals to this triangle symbol, 4 is equals to this symbol, and 5 is equals to this square symbol, then 5, 5, 4, 3 is written as. So 5 means this symbol, so this symbol is given at the starting 2 times in option number 4 only. After this 4 means this symbol, yes, correctly given, and the 3 means this triangular symbol, yes, so option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 13. If L is equals to this square, A is equals to triangle, T is equals to plus sign, and E is equals to this swastik sign, then A, E, T is represent as. A means this triangle, so this triangle means here and here. Then E means this swastik, so here and here. And then T means this plus sign here, but here different one, so option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 14, observe the table of number and the symbols. Which is the correct option for the number 5364? 5 means this one. So this symbol is given option number 4 and 1. After this one 3. 3 means this symbol. So this symbol is given here and here also. Then 6 means this symbol correctly given here and here also. And then 4. 4 means circular. So only in option number 4 is correct one. Then alphabet with symbol table for question number 15 and 16. So using the above symbol for the letter, how A, D, G. A means this symbol. So but symbols may not in sequence. Okay. So means these two symbols are given only this one. Then D. D means this plus sign. So here given, but here these two lines, vertical lines are absent. Okay. So only option 4 we have. And then G. G means this square. This is given. So means these three symbols are correctly given. So option number 4 is the correctly. These three symbols are not in option, but A, D and G. These respective letters, their respective symbols we have got in option number 4. Then question number 16. These three symbols represent which word from the given option? So this means the B. Then these two lines means A, and this symbols means the F. So BAF. So BAF means option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 17, using symbol, if TAN is equals to this symbols, CAB is equals to this symbol, COT is equals to, then how to symbolize NAC? Now in this one, the common letters, or we can say the common alphabets, we have to count first. So in this one, TAN and CAB, here the A is the common. Okay, so like this one here, this star shape is a common. So means we can say A is equals to this star shape. Okay, with a solid, we can say the solid color. Then after this one, here and here the C is the common. So and here the triangle is there, so C is equals to triangle. Now here the triangle and these two symbols we got A and C, so B is equals to this dash, so B is equals to dash. Now in this one T is a common, so if we compare in this one, so T means swastik, T is equals to this swastik symbol like this one. Okay, so T and C we know, so means O is equals to square. Okay, now N we have to find, so bit here T and the A we got, means N is equals to this circle, so this circle, then C is equals to this triangle and A is equals to this star. So this is given in option number 3. For question number 17, option number 3 is a correct one. Now alphabet with symbol table for question number 18 and 19. So numbers and the symbols are given. So sorry, this is not alphabet, this is the number. Question number 18, triangle, then this cross signs, triangle means 4, then cross sign means the 0, and at the rate means the 9. So 409, 409 means option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 19, how to write 8 7. 8 means this star, so star here, here and here. Then 7 means this solid circle, so here, but here not, and here also not available. So option number 2, 1 and the 4 are missing, so only option number 3 is a correct one. Then 3 means these two circles, so option number 3 is a correctly matching. Question number 20, your friend has not invited you to his birthday party, what would you do? So I will send him my best wishes, means option number 2 is a correct one. Then question number 21, what will you do if your grandfather is looking for his lost stick? So I will help him to search the stick, means option number 3 is a correct one. Then question number 22, while having lunch in a school, your tiffin fell on a floor. What would you do? So by collecting drop food, I will put it in the dustbin. So option number 4 is here correct. Then question number 23, there was a big stone on the middle of the road. In that case, which of the activities of the boys is proper? So in this one, option number 3 means Bajrang shifted the stone by pushing it to the roadside, means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 24, after purchase the shopkeeper returns a 10 rupees note extra to you. What will you do of it? I will return the extra money to the shopkeeper, means option number 2 is here correct. Then question number 25, my glass fell to the ground as I was drinking water. What should I do? Option number 4 means pick and wash the glass and place it on the water pot. So option number 4 is the correct one. Thank you.